guys, we're here. We're picked up by bus. Actually, it's a private tour. Though, bakit bus? That's our card center. Hi, we're staying here. Entrance.
Early in the morning, around 2 o'clock, 3 o'clock.
Girl, di na kami mag-room tour kasi hindi na kaya ng energy and everything. But here are hotel. Yeah. Hi! We're staying at Hotel Chantal.
Hello!
Day 1.
This is my day 1 in Singapore.
Sabi namin kanina Bisaya. Uy, Indiano. That's our grab. Sana hindi po na. Okay, go na. Sakay na. Josh, Anika. Sa likod, house.
So guys, ayun, nandito na kami sa, asan to?
Flower Dome.
Yes. Papakita ko sa inyo. Oops, hindi ito yung pinaka-highlight guys. So ito guys. Ito na. Sa ate Nicole. Ito may guys. Wow.
Hi, we're gonna eat at Shake and Shack. Sabi ko nga meron naman sa PH, pero yeah. Sige. Bye! Here's our order. Wala akong order. We're here at Cloud Forest. It's for him! Sheesh, mama ko. Hindi magpapabasa ang person. Ay, nakakatakot naman. Girl. Kapit na kapit. Kapit na kapit si mommy.
Ano di tayo? Ito tayo. Ano tapos na yung gravity?
Yung tenga mo.
Yung tenga na. Tapos na. Tapos na tayo.
Okay lang.
Ay, nag-56 na ako. Ay, hinataas ako.
Tapos na tayo.
Okay. Thank you.
Minsan pinapanalangin namin na walang bumili para
Ay! Pilipino pa. Pinoy.
ay wala wag nang i-record yung pala yan.
Guys, we pay for 10,000 just to leave less than an hour. Kasi hinahabol namin yung super...
2,000 for the 2 hours.
Dito picture na. Magkwento ka, Dad. Magkwento ka, isasama kita sa vlog. Dad, magkwento ka, isasama ko sa vlog.
Ay, favorite ng anak. Yung ano na.
Tagilid na yun.
No,
Dok yung binili niya, Diyos ko po.
This is our second time here.
Second time.
Here yung binili ni Mom.
Puro.
Yeah, and we went to repeat. We
Okay.
make sure that it's
Wait, Mom.
You come and see the right persons. Always be the best.
So pretty! Guys, sobrang tagal ng mga namimili sila ng picture na edited.
Pwede po i-customize ang edit.
Kaya ako, give me $90. Ako mag-edit. Grabe. Diyos ko, Panginoon. $90 and anyway, here's the view. Hi, here's the view. Girl, we can stop kasi 7:45 yung start. It's already 7:30. Why is it blurred? Okay, we're here. We're here. Hi! Anong TikTok? Ikaw na, sa yung phone. Hi, we're going home and grab na naman, girl. Of course. Nauna sa amin yung grab. Grabe, masakit na lang pa ako. Palit na ako ng floods. Pero sobrang sakit pa rin. We're on the way. Hi, here's our rooftop view. So pretty. And swimming pool na never namin na swimmingan because of the schedule and itinerary. Yeah, that's all. That's Hilton there. On the way now to Universal. Mom, ano masasabi mo?
Good morning. Have a great day and have a blessed day.
Yeah.
Just tired.
Hindi na ako nag-hair extension sa kanang kulot. Kasi baka mahirapan ako magsuklay pag sumakay na kami ng Galactica and other rides.
No rights.
Roller coaster.
Buti lang may pahay mo. Weird ba?
It's so hot. Alam ko magiging cloudy sabi sa weather forecast. But I don't know, it's so hot. I know. Okay, video. One lang. Binibili, picture na yan. Hala, si Toothless! Hala, si Toothless! Honey, if you're watching, but I think you're not watching. Si Toothless! Bango.
Our first ride, Notre Dame.
Ano dyan? Live camera action. Medyo chill pa. We're done here. We're not allowed to take videos earlier, kaya ngayon na lang.
Ayun, Transformer guys. Ganda.
Guys, favorite rin.
Guys, naalala ko pa naman din kasi kung ano talaga nangyari dyan. So, maganda talaga.
And then after ayun na guys,
Sa amin na.
uy, they have food. Yan na. Hi guys, we're here.
Mami, apat kami sa unan. Tapos dala mo yung dami.
Si Daddy uminom pa ng gamot niya.
Alam, medyo shaky na.
Okay.
Meron yung sana yung
Nakakarinig. Sleep na ang night.
Nakakatakala yung
Cylon. Cylon? I don't know the pronunciation. But it's Galactica. OMG. Grabe. Recommended. Hi guys, we're ordering now combo meal. It's Mama Bear meal for us. Ta-da! Okay, it's kinda slow. Princess Fiona Chess.
Come meet me in the minionization prep room so we can all get started. Please stay in your rows. Move forward, filling in all the available space in front of you. Don't delay. This is going to be really fun. For me, you will all be great minions, I can tell. Want to know who is my favorite minion today? So I'm going to have to do this kind of quick. Hello, I'm Gru. What's your name? Where are you from? Wow, that might be impressive. Question, question, question. And thank you. Anywho, what?
Hi guys. Tignan nyo, naubos ko na yung by Jessie. Hanggang hapon pa kami uminom. We're going to Chinatown. Girl, can you imagine? Universal Studio to Chinatown. We need a lot of energy. We're here at Chinatown. Parang kailangan ko na talaga ng Starbucks. Mama ko. Wala pa akong coffee for today. Guys, hindi ko na kaya yung energy ng family members ko. So, kami ni Anika, nandito na kami sa Makey. Na K, I don't know. But it's a coffee shop here sa Chinatown. Yeah, that's na ba? I don't know. Oh my God. Ganun diba? Ito. Okay, but tayo na yun. Look who's broke! $40. Wala na siyang pera. I have many coins. But we need to order coffee. Ang weird ko talaga. Meron talaga akong instance na bigla na lang ako nagpo-pause. Pero alam ko naman sabihin ko. Like, ano yan? Fucking disorder. Ganun. Weird. Karma pa sa order. Kaso kasi lagi na lang yun yung na-order. Hindi, wag na. Yung rose keme-keme try natin.
Bandung rose today.
Yeah.
Wag na charcoal.
This is Rosewood Light. Diyos ko po, mommy. It's raining, guys. We booked a crab. Ito naman. Nag-grab na lang kami sa Wingstop. Diba? Meron pa. Wingstop muna.
Maniwala ka. Maniwala ka sabi nung kanina nakakaroon daw siya ng Manila tsaka ng walang price niya.
Guess what? Nag-grab kami ng Wingstop. Buti niya nahulog. So, yeah. We're gonna pick it up. Kasi after Universal Studio, dumiretso naman kami sa Chinatown. Which is so weird. Kasi sobrang pagod na talaga ng mga girl. Guys, nakuha namin yung Wingstop. Ano sabi mo ba? Sabi ko, kuya. Tapos sabi ko naman siya. Sure pa na dapat. Here's the wings from Wingstop. Pero hindi na namin sobrang dinamihan kasi kakakain lang din namin sa Chinatown. Here's the fries. Tree ranch. And this is lemon something, honey something, and garlic something. Okay? Guys, day 3. Lahat may ubo na. Hindi na ako nag-curl and hair extension because it's too early in the morning. Hi everyone. So, this is our last day at Singapore. And we're done. We're done praying and then gone get ready. So, kain lang kami. Tapos pupunta kami Haji. Ikaw, ang sasabihin mo? Bye, Singapore. Another day, another grab.
Oh, alam niyo na pag ano ka ba? Ay, ikaw. Ilagay mo na yung pera mo. Payment na. Talaga? Okay, okay. Okay, in 8 seconds. 8 shots to I'm saying.
Alam ko naman hindi ko makikita yung mukha mo.
Didikita ka na, tingnan mo.
Wala na konti.
Okay, information, camera connecting, please wait. Take one, daddy, urong, dali, urong, daddy, urong pa. Daddy, urong pa. Take 3 na. Parang yun tayo sa gitna. Sige, wait lang, ano ba yan? Wow! Ayan, pinakasaya. Ano ba? Hindi ko kasi alam. Di ba, meron na first time.
Avocado!
Ano kasi ano yun yung mga ano? Ano mo? Pwede ba i-take yan lahat? Wait lang, baka kayo sa gitna. Dali mo, tatlong shot na lang.
Iba pa naman ito.
Oh, last take. Last take. Hug naman, hug na. Hug. Last. Ganda, oh. Bawal ulit yun lahat. Bawal. Oh, wala lang. Oh, wait lang. Wala nyo. Oh, una. Maganda. Ito.
Machine nila, like, hindi ka matatakot kung may mali kang picture kasi 8 takes. We're here at Bugis Street or Bugis Mall. I'm not sure sa pronunciation. Pero yun na nga. Si Bossing maghanap pang regalo.
Kasi, wala na tayo. Nabili na lang kaya tayong plato. Singapore.
$1.
Grabe naman ang mga pesa. Girl, sabi ko hindi ako bibili pero mukhang na-influensyahan na ako ng mga tao. Girl, partita, hindi pa to talaga yung, alam mo yun, last final purchase.
Look. This is worth to find.
Oh, may 50 ka pa. Guys, this is so pretty. 3 for $10.
Guys, grabe. Sobrang mura talaga. Parang pwede ko i-spend yung 5K ko dyan. Ang sobrang dami ko magbibigyan. Kasi ito, 1K lang to. Tapos ang dami ko magbibigyan. So, kung may mapapanood mo na dito ng mga pinsan ko, palike na lang neta.
I'm gonna miss this view. It's so perfect here. Gusto ko na lang dito. Ayoko na pumunta ng Malaysia. Though yung hotel namin sa Malaysia 4-star. Ito 3-star lang. Pero girl, gusto ko na lang here. Bye-bye. Another episode of Pasalubong. Nakakaloka. We're here at ACBC. ABC. OC base.
I bought 4 chocolate, then 3 $1. 3 for $1. So 5.
We're here at the airport. Look at them. Paano ba naman kasi free 7 kilogram pero naka 14 na siya? That's why. Medyo strict dito pero at the same time, they're kind.